Here's the conifer garden in Victoria Park. Let me just move back a little bit here so you can get an impression of what it looks like. It's a really interesting grouping of conifers, and in this case almost all of them are Araucaria. Look at that. Now these tall, not the one in the foreground, but the darker ones at the back going right up to the top there. Araucaria columnaris. Let's just have a little walk through, because it's quite unusual to see just one species or one genus planted all together like this. It looks really terrific, and see how people are enjoying having picnics underneath. So here we go, looking right up into the Araucaria columnaris. Really fantastic. And then on this side we've got another one. We have another species, also Araucaria, and we can see that the leaves, I don't know how to describe it, they're kind of arranged more like sort of toilet brushes. That's Araucaria cunninghamii, same genus, different species. And there's quite an interesting one over here, which is quite curious. There's one that's split, look, it's double trunked, and then the trunks go up and they cross over again further up. So it hardly ever grows dead straight, this thing. Anyway, good example of Araucaria. Pretty well all the ones in the picture now are Araucaria columnaris. But they were previously labelled some years ago in Professor Jim's Champion Trees book as Araucaria heterophylla. It seems to be practically impossible to work out the difference between Araucaria heterophylla and Araucaria columnaris. I mean, they both have this landscape function and impact. Whichever species you plant, this will be more or less the effect, the impact that you'll get. At the moment, I'm going to go along with the authorities, assume these as being Araucaria columnaris.